guys, it is your boy HKS Gameboy and welcome back to another video. Today guys, I am going to be showing you my shop. I just started with 4 vending machines. That was like the beginning of the vending machine store, and then I added 2 more. But this episode or this video is just going to be basically about upgrading my vending machine store. So I'm going to show you first of all what I sell. This is basically just for guns and band-aids. This is just for like some resources, some clothing, doesn't really matter. Some of these stuff. I sell a lot of sulfur, but I'm going to be upgrading my base to, or actually not base, my shop to become really good, because there's a lot of people with a lot of vending machine stores and they're getting a lot. So I'm just trying to start getting some scrap from my vending machine store. Of course, this just leads to the vending machines, but I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be putting like the door to enter the vending machine and have like 1, 2, 3, 4 vending machines over here, and here's the door to get into that section. And I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 vending machines over here too, and here I'll have like some vending machines over here and some vending machines over there, and yeah.
Drum keys.
hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be doing a lot of episodes for about the shop later on, but this is just going to be it.